Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. Good health and very happiness. You will have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, different ideas of hairstyle, fine hairstyle, too short wave and curl on hair, very curly hairstyling, messy hairstyles, attractive collection of spiky hairstyle, different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, undercut, and the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. So attractive collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, beautiful ideas of highlights, highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky color, and many much more latest ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice and stylish. You look very pretty. You look gorgeous and look scrumptious. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please do support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it all over social media accounts. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.